You know what, Dior needs to make a lot of discover kits so we could use their products when traveling. So Dior released a lot of skincare products lately, and I wish they did a discover kit so could actually bring them without checking in my stuff when traveling. They always have for capture to tell though, which is great because it's what I use. So I already washed my face, and the first item I use is the Essence lotion. And I use these products 2 times a day, one in the morning, one at night. Although when I'm home at nighttime, I still have my Prestige lotion. So that's what I use at nighttime. So this product leaves my skin very dewy. I'm not using any filter right now. This is my actual skin. So definitely not perfect, but looks really healthy. That's the first product. And those who have seen my video a lot of times, you've seen this a lot of times from me. I've been using this since 2022, I think. Then the serum, just this much. This is very good. Apply in upward motion. In there. Don't forget your neck. No, you don't need special product for your neck. Just don't forget to include it when applying products on your face. And last but not the least, again, these are very good size for traveling. No, because this, I think I used this when I went to the Philippines, and I still have this much. Okay, so this is a cream. And little goes a long way. So the price, like for the full sizes, it usually lasts me like 6 months if I'm using it day and night. So see, love my skin. And you know, they have small sizes, the ones that you get for free if you spend 100 or more, or if you're platinum you get 2, but these are super tiny. Well, maybe you can use them if you're going on a weekend trip. They're good enough, but if you're going on like 2 weeks vacation, then definitely need more than this. Last but not the least, this is one of my Madam G product. This is the only one that's left. This is sunscreen. So I need this because I don't really use sunscreen religiously, but when we go out, like today, we will go hiking. So I need to protect my face. Go. So somebody asked me what is the notable benefit of using the Capture line. To be honest, I think it's just really maintaining the skin moisturized and youthful and healthy. It doesn't help with the marks as much. So as you can see, I got this pimple I think almost 2 months ago. As you can see, it's still there. This same time, I think they all came at the same time. So about 2 months ago. So it doesn't really help with the marks, but slowly help with evening your skin tone. You can see here I'm very dark. Whenever we go on summer vacation, this is the first part of my skin that gets darker, but it's catching up. But yeah, like I've said, you will not see drastic change, but what it does is delays the aging of the skin. So, and I could feel that really, like I could feel and see it. Like before Dior, I feel like my skin is so dry and more prone to wrinkles. And because I live in Washington State, we used to live in Washington State, I have allergies and I sneeze a lot, and I always have dark under eye. Like my under eye gets dry so easily. But since using Dior, I don't see as much eye bags anymore. Actually, I don't really get eye bags anymore. So I think those are the benefits I get. And I don't know, like I've said, you have to be patient with skincare. It will not be magically make your skin better. So this is 5 years of work right here. So there you have it. Till next time. Bye bye.